Assalamualaikum students. I hope you all are fine. I am your nursery class teacher. Today we will start our maths work. Take out your maths DLP of week 1. Students, today we will learn about basic shape circle. Before starting our lesson, let's start with the circle shape song. Here's a circle, here's a circle, how can you tell? How can you tell? It goes round and round. It goes round and round. No end can be found, no end can be found. It's a circle, it's a circle, it's a circle, it's a circle. Student, we have different basic shapes. Before learning about circle, let's have a look at them, at how many basic shapes we have. First is rectangle. It's a rectangle. Look at this, it has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but its 2 sides are long and 2 sides are short. It has 4 corners. These are the corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle has 4 sides, 2 long and 2 short, and 4 corners. Okay, the next one shape is a square. Square has 4 sides, 1, 2, 3 and 4, but its 4 sides are always equal, and it has 4 corners, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It is a basic shape square. Okay, the next one is triangle. As it is obvious from its name, tri means 3, angles means these are the angles. It has triangles means it has 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, and it has 3 sides, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, the next one shape is circle. Student, look at circle. It has no sides and it has no corner. It has only one curved line. It is perfectly round as compared to circle. Oval is just like a circle, but it is an elongated circle. It also have no sides and no corners. Student, these are the basic shapes we have. Now come to circle. Okay, circle has no corners and no sides. It has just one curved line and it is perfectly round. Students, we have different examples of circle like pizza. Look at pizza, it is also circle. Ball. Ball is also an example of circle. Look at the ball, it has no sides and no corners. The next one example of circle is a wall clock. Look at the wall clock, it is also perfectly round and it has no sides and no corners. Student, now look at your DLP. Here you are given a website, education.com/game/math site words. Students, when you go to this one website, you will find a game. It's basically a card game. In this game you have to match the correct shapes. You have to match circles, you have to match squares, and you have to match triangles. Students, do play this one game. It will have a lot of fun playing this game. Okay, students, now come to the next one page. This is your worksheet. First, look at the top, NAME name, write your name here, DATE date, write date here. Look at the question, identify and color circles. Here you are given different shapes. In these shapes you have to identify the circles and you have to color these one circles. Look at the first one shape. Look at its sides and corners. Student, you will find that there are no sides and no corners. So when a shape has no sides and no corners, it is a circle. So you have to color this one shape. The next one is rectangle because it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. So you will not color this one. Okay, the next one, it has 3 sides and 3 corners. So it is a triangle. So you don't have to color this one. The next one, it has 4 equal sides and 4 corners, so it is a square. So you don't have to color this one. The next one is also a triangle, so you don't have to color this one. It is a circle, so you have to color this one. There are 1, 2, 3 and 4 circles on this one page, so you have to color all the circles and leave the rest shapes. Okay student, now come to the next one page. Here again you have to write your name, NAME name, write your name, DATE date, write the date here. Look at the question, color, trace and draw. Here you are given 4 portions. In the first portion you are given a circle, you have to color this one circle. In the next one portion you are given dots, and with the help of these dots you have to trace the circle like this. With this sequence you have to completely trace all the circle. Now come to the next one portion. In this one portion you have to join the dots like this. Slowly you have to join the dots and you have to complete the circle. With this sequence you have to complete all the circle. Okay, in the fourth portion you have to draw a circle. Student, you can draw a circle with the help of any round object like the lid of bottles, with a plate, or with anything which has a circle shape. Student, I hope you have understood all the pages. With this we have completed our week 1 work. Take care and Allah Hafiz.